Previously on TWiT.
Oh, shoot. I already knew that. I think. This is how you're not supposed to play the game.
The subtitle of this is People Playing Clue Badly.
It's so true.
Hands-on tech.
If you want true wireless earphones that emphasize sound over everything else, then you're going to want to check this review out. It's the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2 earphones.
Tech News Weekly.
We had this Smart Home Summit, and it kind of covered for developers what Google has brought forth in the smart home.
The next Android 11, when it comes out, you're going to be able to touch the power button on your phone, and you're going to be able to see your smart home stuff.
I got to tell you, I love this feature.
Security Now.
Still, in this day and age, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 turns out to comprise 1 out of every 142 passwords.
That's crazy.
Found on the internet.
This Week in Google.
Amusement parks are reopening, but because screaming is dangerous, in Japan, they're saying you may ride the roller coaster, but you cannot scream.
Please scream inside your heart. That's exactly how I feel.
TWiT.
We're all screaming inside our heart right now.
Hearts.